Hey folks, welcome to week 3 of the sociology class. I wanted to touch base with you very quickly what we're going to be doing this week. And again, this goes back to the very beginnings of sociology. So the first things first, I want you to take a look at the sociological theories. And this really breaks it down with the major thoughts and the major beliefs, all right? And the first thing that we're talking about is what we call a paradigm. And a paradigm is essentially a theoretical framework that we base everything on. So if my theoretical framework would be conflict theory, then everything that I approach from there is going to be under the assumption or the idea that those people in power take advantage of those people without power, all right? So we're going to be taking a look at just a couple of these, all right? So again, as always, the first two units, the Explain and Explore, are going to be basically the watch, read, and do, okay? So make sure that you watch this little short video on that, all right? Now, once you're completed with that, we're going to go on to this week's discussion board, all right? And the discussion board is going to be, which theory do you think better explains how societies function or operate, structural functionalism or conflict theory? And then tell me why, okay? And then how do you think taking a sociology course might affect your social interactions with others? So make sure that you answer both parts of those, okay? Don't forget to get in and to also read your peers and see what they say. And don't forget to go back through and read all of them, okay? And again, that's 5 easy points. All you have to do is get in there and do it. Now, this week we're also moving on with a couple additional things. And the expand, or the elaborate, what I'm going to have you do for this assignment is I want you to consider the 3 major theories of sociology that you've looked at and evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of each. Give specific examples to support your assessment. Now, if you want, you don't have to do it by yourself. You can do it as a collaborative exercise. All you have to do is set something up in Google Docs and share it with your classmates, or share it with a partner, share it with the entire class, or you can do it by yourself. It's entirely up to you. And again, you don't have to do an essay. You can do bullet points of advantages or strengths, and then disadvantages or weaknesses, okay? Next, what we want to do is we're going to get into the quiz, all right? And again, you're allowed 3 attempts at each of those quizzes, so take advantage of that. And then the last thing that we're going to have to do for this week is your essay. And that essay is, again, going to be looking at what we've done so far. All right? And what this talks about, is there ever going to be a global culture? Meaning that our individual cultures from different areas eventually going to become one giant global culture as a result of our technology, as the internet, Skype, those kind of things. So I'll be real curious to see what you guys think with that. So again, this is for this week, all right? And that's going to start on Wednesday, which is February 14th, and that's going to end on Tuesday, February 20th at 11:59. So make sure that you're getting your assignments in. If they get submitted late, I'm going to take points off. So make sure that you're getting them in on time. All right, as always, I'm here to help. Let me know. Thanks.